Sending large files over the internet can become quite a hassle. Luckily, there are a number of file transfer websites and apps that are strong, secure, and provide the functionality needed to share large files. In the following video, we're going to overview the top 12 best websites for file sharing in 2022. Without a doubt, the #1 best website for file sharing is Dropbox. Even though it looks a lot like Google Drive, it's far easier to use and is way more refined than its Microsoft counterpart. Dropbox is also one of the most popular websites to share and host websites online, with more than 35 million users taking advantage of their platform every month. Dropbox is also one of the most popular websites to share and host files online, with more than 35 million users taking advantage of their platform every month. Plus, with their free basic version alone, you get up to 2 gigabytes of free space to upload and share files, as well as a variety of handy features added in, such as the ability to link password protection and wipe data remotely from a lost device. Beyond this, the application of Dropbox can be accessed on any device to safely upload and access photos, videos, and documents from anywhere. And like other cloud storage services, you can share your files with anyone. While you may want to upgrade to the paid version for the additional storage space, Dropbox remains one of the best websites for anyone looking to safely share files online. Regardless of who you are or what you do, if there's one brand in the world that everybody knows and trusts, it's Google. Whether it's YouTube, Gmail, or Google Drive, chances are you likely utilize one of the platform's incredibly intuitive tools. Google Drive in particular is one that's renowned for its file sharing capabilities. Even though the service has been around since 2012, it's evolved quite a bit in recent years. Not only does it now offer up to 15 gigabytes of free file sharing space for photos, videos, and documents, but it also can be accessed from any device, be it your PC or smartphone. Plus, you can invite others to both view and collaborate on files together. And since it's run by Google, you won't need to rely on any third-party apps to get your work done, as you can utilize Google Docs or Google Photos to send and receive large files in different formats. MediaFire is another well-established file-sharing platform and easily one of the most trusted websites available in 2022. Not only is it currently being used by more than 50 million people worldwide, but it specializes specifically in large file formats with the ability to upload files of up to 4 gigabytes. Beyond this, MediaFire also offers 10 gigabytes of free space, which can be further extended to 50 gigabytes with added bonuses. Plus, with the free version, you get unlimited bandwidth, as well as the ability to exercise their features from any device. Simply put, if you're in search of the best website for sharing larger files up to 4 gigabytes, then MediaFire is the only viable option. Our list simply wouldn't be complete without one of the world's best file-sharing websites by Microsoft, OneDrive. First and foremost, OneDrive offers 5 gigabytes of free storage space with web-based access, while the mobile version allows you to edit and annotate your files offline and on the go. Past this, the esteemed platform enables users to store, share, and sync a variety of different files and personal data. Plus, you can even upload Microsoft Office documents directly to your OneDrive, which can then be organized by type for quick and easy retrieval. And if you feel you need more space to store your files, you can always upgrade to one of the paid plans, which offers up to 50 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, or 5 terabytes, depending on how much you need and are willing to spend. Widely regarded as one of the most intuitive file-sharing platforms, designed by one of the most innovative companies, Fast Company, WeTransfer is undoubtedly one of the easiest ways to send and receive larger files, as all users taking advantage of the free version can send files up to 2 gigabytes. Beyond this, WeTransfer also allows you to send high-resolution photos, videos, and other large files without even needing to log in. Plus, the entire process of uploading and sharing files is completely encrypted, with the recipient obtaining an unencrypted email with a link to the file. Even though there are other free platforms that can send larger files, if you upgrade to the inexpensive paid version of WeTransfer, you'll be able to send up to 20 gigabytes at a time. Plus, you'll also be able to take advantage of certain features like password protection, channel customization, and 100 gigabytes of storage space. All in all, if you're in need of an effective and easy-to-use cloud storage and file sharing service, then look no further than WeTransfer. Another remarkable file sharing platform that needs no introduction is Mega, a cloud storage service focused solely on security with end-to-end encryption and tons of storage. Outside of its incredibly secure application format, Mega also offers one of the best free plans on the market, with up to 20 gigabytes of cloud storage at no cost. Plus, all user data and files are secured through their zero-knowledge encryption service and can be accessed from any web browser, as well as their desktop or mobile application. With that being said, there are some notable downsides with Mega, including the lack of integrations and editing features, making it difficult for team collaboration. Plus, there's no true file sharing option among a group of users. However, Mega is an excellent alternative if you're concerned about security or storage space. SendGB is a completely free file transfer service that allows users to safely share files of up to 5 gigabytes in size and store them for up to 90 days. It allows you to send up to 500 files at a time, so long as it's under 5 gigabytes, and transfer either by sending an email or creating a link for sharing. If you choose to send files through email, you can enter up to 20 recipients at once, and even include a message with your transfer. Plus, since you don't need an account to send data, you can simply navigate to the website, add in your files, and hit send. SendGB supports all file formats and can upload or download any file in under a minute, making it one of the fastest and most reliable services on the market. It even comes with a few additional features that are incredibly handy, such as password protection for all file transfers using 128-bit encryption. All things considered, it's an incredibly underrated service that's free and easy to use, making it an easy choice for our list. Another exceptional alternative for anyone in need of a diverse, flexible, and secure file sharing service is pCloud Drive. It's a desktop application that creates a secure virtual drive for you to store, access, and edit your files in the cloud with ease. Amongst the variety of advantages that pCloud holds, its file synchronization feature is super fast, reliable, and efficient compared to most file sharing services. Plus, it offers far more storage at a cheaper price, 10 gigabytes of free cloud storage on the basic plan, and carries one of the most user-friendly applications on the market. Even though it can only be used from your desktop and doesn't offer a document editor or two-factor authentication, it's undoubtedly the best file-sharing application for those in search of a reliable service that's affordable, effective, and safe. Have you ever wanted to send large files over to friends or colleagues, but can't seem to stay within the limit that most services offer? Well, Smash is a new file transfer service that allows users to share large files with anybody in the world. While there are other alternatives that allow you to send large files, Smash is the only file sharing service in 2022 that carries no file size limit. With the free version alone, files are available for up to 14 days and offer features such as password protection and additional security measures. Though you can also upgrade to the paid plan, which allows for files to be available for up to 365 days, and you can even customize the transfer URL as well. With Smash, users can send photos, videos, music, and documents of any size, safely and securely, from any mobile device or tablet, making it easily one of the best file-sharing services on the market. TransferNow is another secure platform for sending and sharing photos, videos, and music, as well as personal and professional documents. It's also another amazing service for sending large files, as users can transfer a variety of different file formats up to 20 gigabytes. TransferNow is a complete, high-speed file transfer software that carries a simple interface and is remarkably easy to use. It provides end-to-end solutions for Windows, iOS, Android, and Mac OS operating systems, and is compatible with both desktop and mobile devices. TransferNow also assists in notice of receipt and monitoring, as well as unlimited downloads and customizing of transfer links. Taking all of this into account, TransferNow is without question one of the best file-sharing services for any individual or business in 2022. iCloud is another incredibly popular service for cloud storage and cloud computing, enabling users to transfer files like documents, photos, and music on remote servers. The service has improved tremendously in recent years, with their user base jumping up from 782 million in 2016 to 850 million in 2018, and well beyond now. With backup on iCloud, you never have to worry about losing important documents, as you can reliably back up and restore files with ease. Plus, you can even stream your photos, messages, and even safely keep your data encrypted with iCloud. In conclusion, if you're a Mac user and looking for a site to safely store your data and share as well, then iCloud is the best choice. While the majority of file-sharing websites or programs require registration to take advantage of their file hosting, sharing, and cloud storage services, Zippyshare remains one of the few platforms that allows users sharing a large file without registration. While they do only have a 500 megabyte file size limit to upload, users are also granted unlimited free space with Zippyshare and can even upload private files using the service's private upload option. However, Zippyshare does not have a mobile application, so it can only be accessed using its web-based interface. That being said, if you're looking for the best file-sharing service that doesn't require any registration, Zippyshare is the site for you. And there you have it! With so many different file-sharing websites and programs to choose from, arguably the most difficult part of the process is simply finding the right one. Hopefully, we were able to provide you with some legitimate solutions to help you get started and ensure that you never have any problems sharing files over the web. To help us continue to create helpful guides such as this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the video or what you'd like to see for next time.